Alright. Yeah. It's like 10 o'clock at night. The water has not gone down at all. This is my porch. That's my porch light reflecting off my porch. It has not gone down an inch. My bottom step is in the water. Yeah, kitty. It's wet. I can't wash my hands. I can't flush the toilet. There's nowhere for the water to go. I know, this sucks. You live inside anyway. What do you care?